'Twas a cold, windy autumn day when Hobbs went out to play. The mist was falling, winds were calling, colorful leaves were swirling. His friends came by and joined in his fun, hiding in the leaves, peeking out at the sun. For them, having fun, when a clear umbrella appeared from nowhere, just blew across the yard, landed right there. They decided to climb it. Like an earthquake, it began to shake. The winds grew ferocious, then suddenly, without warning, it launched into the sky. They held on with all their might, their paws holding tight. With sudden fright, they took flight and disappeared out of sight. They spun towards the heavens, spinning around and around, flipping up and flipping down. Oh my, what would happen? Catastrophe, they all clung on, waiting for their crash landing. Around and around, the wind's roaring sound, hurtling towards the ground. Then suddenly, it was still. Hushed silence filled the air, just silence, no wind. For just a moment, suspended, when the umbrella upended, tigers hanging on, slowly they descended. Into a pile of leaves they disappeared and very gently landed. Motionless they looked around, saw it was a perfect landing. Hidden by the pile of leaves, giggles could be heard as the taggers daydreamed about flying like birds. As they peered out through the pile of leaves, they saw they'd not been seen. So quietly they crawled out and dusted off the leaves. As they roared home, so proud with no scars, having flown so high, so close to the stars.